Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In my last video, I reviewed those 9 inches co-light auxiliary lights. And while they performed very well, I realized that at high altitude, the airflow to the radiator is a little bit blocked by those lights. And if you off-road at high altitudes, airflow is key due to the thinner air. So while those lights might be great in lower elevations, in the Rockies, the airflow plays a big part. Alright guys, so these are the new 7-inch AUXITO X-Plore1 off-road lights. These things are actually pretty interesting. They're not just your basic lights. First off, they're running 115 watts and they use a Spot Plus drive-in combo beam. So you're getting both distance and spreads. Perfect for trails and open roads. The user manual is detailed with diagrams and it's pretty easy to understand. It shows you basically everything that you need to know about the lights and installation. The housing is aluminum, super solid, and they're rated IP67 and IP69K. So basically, water, mud, pressure washing, they can handle it. These are very powerful lights, but you see how they block almost the entire grille. I might install them on my Ram truck. I'm sure they're gonna do better there. And I'm just gonna install those new 7 inches with the same wiring that I have for those 9 inches. And you can notice right away how much the grille is more open and exposed versus the 9 inches lights. So I've been running these lights for about 2 weeks now, both on the road and off-road, and I gotta say, these are impressive. The first thing that stood out is the beam pattern. You get a really wide spread, and at the same time the throw is strong and reaches pretty far down the road. And night driving on the trails feels great. They're also very solid, no shaking or anything like that, just consistent performance every time I turn them on. So overall, after about 2 weeks, I can honestly say these are pretty solid and I'm really happy with how they perform. And for 15% off, I'm gonna drop a link down in the description and you can use the code TNC4X4 for that discount. Thank you for watching. See you on the trail.